Good day, everyone. Hey, pool lovers! If you're planning to build a swimming pool at home, chances are you're considering an in-ground pool, and that's a solid choice. But did you know there are 3 main types of in-ground pools? In this video, I'll walk you through each one: concrete, vinyl liner, and fiberglass, so you'll know which one fits your home, lifestyle, and budget. Let's dive in. First up, the concrete pool, also called gunite or shotcrete. This is the most customizable type of pool. You want a lagoon shape? An infinity edge? Concrete can do it. Pros: fully customizable in shape, size, and features. Very durable. Cons: longest build time, usually several weeks or even months. Higher maintenance, it needs resurfacing every few years. Costs more upfront. This one's perfect for homeowners who want a luxury and one-of-a-kind pool. Next, we have the vinyl liner pool, a popular choice for budget-conscious homeowners. These pools have a frame made of steel or polymer and a vinyl sheet liner that holds the water. Pros: more affordable than concrete. Smooth surface. Faster to install. Cons: the liner needs replacement every 7 to 10 years. Limited shape and depth options. If you want a beautiful in-ground pool without the big price tag, vinyl might be your best bet. And finally, the fiberglass pool. These come as pre-molded shells that are delivered to your home and installed in one piece. Pros: super fast installation, as little as 2 to 3 days. Low maintenance. The gel coating resists algae. Smooth surface feels nice on your feet. Cons: limited shapes and sizes. Transport and access can be tricky for small or tight spaces. If you want a low-maintenance pool that's quick to install and looks amazing, fiberglass is a fantastic option. All 3 are awesome. It really depends on your budget, timeline, and vision. Which one would you pick? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share this with someone planning their dream backyard pool. See you in the next one.